Three Hearts right now in Tacoma. It's our first time here, and they have amazing pastries, both savory and sweet. So I got like a little veggie brioche. It has pesto in it and egg and cheese, and it's really nice. Also got an oat vanilla latte. That's my usual drink. Abe got a cappuccino. Decaf. And heavy on the decaf. And then he got this like ricotta Danish. It has like microgreens on it. And what else is in here? There's asparagus.
Some asparagus here. Pretty good.
It's super good.
It had a whole bunch of pickled onions. I ate them all.
Yeah, it has a little bit of like a sweet taste to it.
Yeah.
So, yep. We're just enjoying and sitting by the window in the sun.
We were supposed to go camping last night.
Yeah.
But didn't happen.
Yeah. It was a little drizzly, cold.
50 degrees. I don't know. I don't mind if it's cold and sunny or overcast and drizzly and warm. But cold, overcast, and drizzly, I don't know.
Just wasn't a good combination. Yeah. I don't think it would have been fun. Last time it was cold.
That's why I go camping.
Yeah. Luckily, we were only going to go camping like 20 minutes away.
Yeah.
So it wasn't a huge loss. It wasn't like we were going to drive out 2 hours to somewhere. So. I got myself a little gift this evening, and you might have seen me just unwrap it, but I got an iPad mini. What's really nice is I actually did not pay full price for this. I had a gift card from a previous trade-in, and at the time I decided I didn't really want any new products, any new computers, iPads, etc. So I just held on to the Apple gift card that I had. And then I actually just traded in my 10.2 inch iPad because I had been using it a little bit more recently, but I haven't used it a lot in the last like year or so maybe. I think that's about when I got it. I just found it was like so big to hold, and because it was so clunky to me and like my preferences and how I do things, I just felt like I wasn't gonna use it much. So Abe, my husband, he actually just got an iPad mini and he absolutely loves it, and I tried it. This is his right here, and it just fits so perfectly in my hand that I was like, well, maybe I want that too. And it's really nice for reading even. I kind of just got my book apps on here, and I put like YouTube and stuff like that on it, just basic stuff. But it's really nice because it's like almost the size of like a Kindle. And yeah, it's super light. I love the color. I feel like, shoot, let's bring back more colors, more fun colors for like technology that we buy. I love this because it's so subtle. I actually in the store called it gentle purple. I mean, it's kind of like this lilac spring color. You barely can see it probably on the actual screen. But yeah, it's just super cute, super light. I think it's gonna be so nice to travel with, and it's just easy to carry and actually hold in my bag, whereas the other one was much bigger. It wasn't the size of my MacBook. I'm looking at it right now. It wasn't the size of my MacBook, but it was on the bigger side, and it just was like not as easy to carry around. So I'm super happy to have this. This is gonna be amazing. I'm gonna play around with this for the rest of the evening. I hope you enjoyed my video today. It was just kind of a little fun little Sunday, and I'll see you next week.